Subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a video on India Food Network.
Hi guys, welcome to Kissan Tiffin Timetable. I am Monica, and to solve all your tiffin worries, some of your favorite chefs are bringing you 200 recipes for 200 school days. Today we are making baked bread pakoda. It's a delicious recipe that your kids will enjoy eating in their tiffin. So चलो देखें कैसे बनाते हैं हर दिन नया टिफिन, हर दिन empty टिफिन. To start making the baked bread pakodas, let's make the filling. About 2 teaspoons of oil. Once the oil is a little hot, add some garlic. Chopped onions go in next. Once they are slightly cooked, let's add the rest of the vegetables. Chopped bell peppers, mushrooms, some corn, some chopped bell peppers. Let it cook for a minute or two. Time to add our dry spices. Salt, pepper powder, some Garam Masala, some jeera powder, grated cheese. Just stir till it's melted. Switch off and add the coriander leaves. And Kissan Tomato Ketchup. It enhances the flavor of the dish with its perfect thickness. Now we are going to assemble the bread pakodas. Take 2 slices of bread with its sides chopped. Just roll them a little bit. Once you have rolled your bread thin, just add 1 tablespoon of filling in the center. Apply a little slurry in the sides. The slurry is made of water and maida, and it will help you seal your bread pakoda. Take another slice and seal it. Brush this with a little oil and it will go in the oven to bake. Now I'm going to similarly make the second one. Time to put it in the oven at 170 degrees centigrade for about 10 to 12 minutes. You need your bread nice and crisp. So let's see if our bread pakodas are ready. Let's pack our tiffin. Just cutting it so that it's easier for the child to eat. Some watermelon and mixed nuts to complete the meal. I hope you have liked this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to India Food Network, like and share this video. I'll be back tomorrow to show you कैसे बनाएं हर दिन नया टिफिन, हर दिन empty टिफिन.
This show is backed and powered by Kissan.